Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip. Have you ever been to a wedding where a groomsman brings you a rose head that's been popped off the top of the boutonniere? Well, I have. And so what I have for you today is a new technique to be able to wire those roses rather than the cross pierce method. So today what we're going to be looking at is a tension technique. So we're going to be inserting the wire at a 45-degree angle. So you cut your rose off, and then I have a wire that's been cut, a standard wire, 20 gauge, and it's been cut into 4 pieces. I'm going to come into the calyx of this rose at an angle and just create a V. So you can see that I have created a V with those wires. Now when I pull them together, it's going to create a great tension. So you can see that I'm not going to have that stem bust off, and it's going to hold really great for me. Then I'm going to come in and just tape that stem. I've kind of updated my taping, and I'm utilizing a black Floratape, and that way I am not the best at ribbon wrapping. So by using this black Floratape, I kind of save that step. And so you can see that I'm just going to tape the stem and then come in and add some pieces of foliage to it and just create a quick boutonniere. You can see I'm using my handy dandy tape holder, otherwise known as my pinky, but it's the same kind of thing that this way I don't put my tape down and I'm efficient with my process. And just come in, and then we're gonna just cut that bottom off. Then I come down to the bottom and go back up, and then just a quick rub with your fingers to be able to make sure that that tape's on there nice and clean, and there you've got your rose boutonniere. So this is the tension method. Hope you give this a try. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates.